You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names from history in particular, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you to suggest to learn more. So let's break it down. Martin, that would be British English. Now in the US, it's often pronounced as Martin. Martin. Martin, alright? But you can say Martin, that's also a correct English pronunciation. Then Luther, that's American English. British English would be Luther, but in American English, Luther. King, King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. Let's break it down again. Listen carefully. Martin Luther King Jr. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.